my life. You've ruined my whole...
Get the fuck out of my parking lot! Got it!
Your emotions.
No.
You just punched me. I can call the cops and get you arrested.
A traffic dispute forces a biker and a driver to stop and confront each other. Tempers flare fast, and the argument nearly turns physical.
Listen, hey, I'm having fun. I know what I'm doing. I
No,
need
you
to calm
don't.
down. Hey,
Do you realize
listen
if
to
you
me.
hit a kid,
do you?
it's manslaughter. If you're speeding,
All right.
it's
Obviously, you
manslaughter.
can't have a conversation, so I'm gonna get on my bike and go.
No, you're not.
Hey, don't touch my bike. Don't touch my bike.
you
Don't touch my bike. Don't touch my bike. You touch
Fuck
my
the bike.
I can defend my property. Don't touch my bike. I can defend my property. I don't want to do this,
Cool.
dude. Look,
Let's
I
get
don't
the
want to do
cops
this,
here.
dude.
Let's get the
All
cops
right,
here
bro.
right now. You piece of shit.
All right, bro.
You're trying to kill
Look,
people.
I hope you find love in your life, brother. Bro, hey, no, come here. Nah, come here. Come here. You want to hit me? Hit me again. Exactly. Walk away like a hit me. Hit me. Hit me again. Hit me again. Why are you walking away? Hit me again. Look, you hit me again. Don't hit me. Dude, look, you gotta
The biker tries to back off and leave, clearly avoiding a fight. But the driver keeps pushing, getting angrier by the second.
Dude, get some control.
you.
Get some control. Get some control. Get some control.
You don't.
Hey, control your emotions.
Right.
Control your emotions.
No.
You just punched me. I can call the cops and get you arrested.
Cool, call him.
You want me to? I got it on video right here. You just punched me in the face. You want me to get you arrested?
Cool.
Huh? You want me to
Dude,
get you
does that-
arrested?
does that have your
You want me to
speed?
get you arrested? Exactly,
Does
bro.
that have your speed on it?
Suck my dick.
A biker enters a forest park where motorbikes are banned. A man snaps, shouting insults and turning it into a heated argument.
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with you?
Oh, no, hold on a second.
You're ruining my
Hold on a
life.
second.
You've ruined my whole day.
A heated fight erupts in the parking lot. Shouting fills the air and tensions run high. Watch till the end to see how it all unfolds.
Parking lot. Got it? Get the fuck out of my parking lot! Got it? Like a bike tow. Boss, get the fuck out of here. Hey, buddy.
At the stop sign, the biker rolls past a grandma, and that's when she completely snaps, exploding into angry insults.
What's your problem?
Does it have to be that way? You
What's
were
your problem?
behind me. You stopped there for the light.
The light's right
What are you? What are you? Just because you ride a motorcycle, you have to be stupid?
Did we cut you off? No, you stopped. Okay, we didn't cut you off. Calm down.
I don't want to smell these ugly.
Have a great day, ma'am.
I can't. Too many fucking motorcycles.
Like I said, ma'am, we didn't cut you off. There's no need to be an asshole.
But you are an asshole.
Did I cut you off?
Did you stay where you were supposed to? No.
You stopped right before the light.
Why did you go around?
Then why would you zigzagging back there?
Do all motorcyclists have to be assholes?
I have it on camera, ma'am. Why would you zigzagging back there?
I haven't been.
Huh? Yeah, I got you on camera.
Keep swerving around the whole.
Yeah, I got you on camera, ma'am. You too.